Stop! Don't throw those away! You're tossing out liquid gold!
Gold? Chef, these are literally garbage.
Liquid gold?
Inside these peels is limonene,
A natural oil that cuts grease easily.
Slice them thin, like this.
More surface means stronger cleaning power.
Oh, so thinner is better. They already smell fresh.
Good. Now place them in a clean jar. Halfway is perfect. Cover it completely.
It's bubbling.
That's the magic starting. Add cinnamon or rosemary for a fresh scent.
It smells amazing. Do we use it now?
Not yet. Let it sit for 2 weeks. Ready to see our secret ingredient?
Yes. What is it? Whoa, strong.
That's the cleaning power. Now, we strain it.
So no peels go inside?
Exactly. Smooth and clean. Pour it into a spray bottle. Slowly.
It looks like a real cleaner.
Of course it is.
Let's try it here.
Wait! Stop right there. Never spray this on ceramic, marble, or stone. It can dull and damage the surface.
Oh, that's important. Wow, it's shining.
Zero waste, maximum shine. And tiles.
Okay, let's try again.
Before you throw anything away, think again.
We can turn it into something amazing.
Subscribe to Mewlicious Kitchen for more smart kitchen hacks.